Good day everybody, welcome back to another episode of Craft by Tim. Today I got a video that I've really wanted to do for a long time, basically since 200 subscribers, but unfortunately this has become quite an experience for me because it's not as straightforward as I was once hoping. I wanted to do a giveaway, and considering that these were last week's video, I thought, oh, that's perfect. I'm gonna make up a few more of these and I'm gonna give them away because I really want to say thanks for everything that you guys have put up with. The shoddy upload times, the poor quality, especially when I was first starting out. I think it's gotten a little bit better. Basically, I just really wanted to say thanks because without you guys, I would have scrapped this whole thing a long time ago. Throughout the overwhelming support and people just genuinely being nice on the internet, which is something almost unheard of. I really appreciate it and I wanted to give something back. So to 2 subscribers, I was going to give away one of these and one of these. So to commemorate hitting the milestone of 750 subscribers, I've decided to give away one of these 2 key rings. I had to obviously then do a little bit of digging as to whether or not where I can send them, essentially. Unfortunately, I found out some not so great information. I've been spending the last 25 minutes beforehand on the phone to customs to figure out whether or not I could export them. And then they were like, we came back with some information. I was like, finally. They turned around and said, we don't have very much information. So they pointed me in the direction of a few articles, and I've been scrolling through all of this for the past 45 minutes or something, and I've been really enjoying it, really. It's a wonderful read.
I'd like to buy a book.
Here's one.
No, I was...
This one's very, very good.
Oh, well, is it?
Yes. You'll laugh, you'll cry, it'll change your life. $5.99.
All right, okay. Oh, my change?
Can you come back later?
Well, no, I'm not coming back this way.
Where do you live?
17 Galaxy Gardens.
Okay. Now go there and await my instructions.
Yeah, just forget about actual books and stuff. Read this sort of thing because this is fun. This is exciting reading. In all seriousness, I've been reading through this and basically it doesn't really have anything to my very particular circumstance because these are drilled out, they're inert, they do not contain powder, they do not contain primers, and they cannot be used to be reloaded into actual ammunition. All of that being said, they would be considered imitation. Teeny little problem. Imitation ammunition is something completely different to imitation firearms. That's where it becomes problematic because they do not have anything that I can tell. They might actually have something, just I can't find it. Imitation firearm export, and they do not have anything on imitation ammunition at all. I don't know whether or not I can actually legally send these out of the country, and because I don't want to get myself in trouble and I don't want to get you guys in trouble, I don't really know what to do. So unfortunately it's sort of a, if I send it, it could be fine or it could not be. But I do know for a fact that I can send them freely within my state or my country. So if you live within Australia, you can win one of these things. But if you live outside of Australia, unfortunately I have to be that guy and send you something different. This is what I would be sending you if you do win and you're not inside of Australia. It's a little arrowhead, same idea, it's a little keyring, so yeah. Sorry. Anyway, that's kind of all I can really do. How to enter and stuff like that. All you gotta do is be subscribed to the channel, go down into the comment section and insult my hair. I figured that this would be a fun way of doing it. I don't know what I'm doing with my life, but yeah, I really wanted to just say thanks for everything because you guys are actually really cool. Thanks for sticking around for however long you have, and I really hope that you enjoy the prizes of said giveaway. It's been a lot of fun to run this channel and just enjoy doing this sort of thing. So I really appreciate all of the support, and once again, thank you for helping me hit 750 subscribers. And let's hope that the channel keeps growing and we'll soon be on our way to 1,000. Thank you everybody so much for everything, and I'll catch you all in the next episode. In the meantime, please do remember to stay safe. happy crafting, and as always, cheers.